Good morning, students. Welcome to our Vagdevi Junior College YouTube channel. So from today onwards, we are going to start objective classes in first year syllabus. So in first year we have two chapters, mathematics 1A and 1B. Now we are going to start the first chapter in 1A, which is related to object, and take the chapter matrices and determinants. So all of you know what is the definition of a matrix and some types of matrices and basic properties of matrices. We just did a brief discussion on types of matrices and basic properties and some key concepts which are more useful to objective examinations like MCET and JEE. Matrix is a collection of numbers arranged into fixed number of rows and columns. For example, capital A equal to A, B, C. Every horizontal line is called a row and every vertical line is called a column. Now, what is the order of this matrix? See, how many number of rows in this matrix? First row, second row. So 2. How many columns? 1. So this matrix is having 2 rows and 2 columns. So we have to represent now the order of this matrix is given by A 2 cross 2. So this is the order of the matrix. Next. Square matrix. If the number of rows is equal to the number of columns in a matrix, then the matrix is called a square matrix. Rectangular matrix. If the number of rows is not equal to number of columns, then the matrix is called a rectangular matrix. Example, this is capital A equal to ABC. This is capital B equal to 1. See, what is the order of this matrix? 2 cross 2. What is the order of this matrix? 2 cross 2. Here, the number of rows is equal to number of columns. That's why it is called square matrix. Here, the number of rows is not equal to number of columns. This is a rectangular matrix. Next, principal diagram. Let us say a square matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a square matrix. A diagonal, let capital A be a square matrix. A diagonal which consists of the first element of the first row, from the first element of the first row to the last element of the last row. That is from top left to bottom right. This diagonal is called principal diagonal of the square matrix capital. So, next, trace of the matrix. The sum of all the elements in the principal diagonal of a square matrix. The sum of all the elements in the principal diagonal of a square matrix is called trace of the matrix. Trace of the matrix is given by PR. For this matrix, what is trace? Here, 1 and 4 are the elements in the principal diagonal. Sum of all the elements in the principal diagonal. So this is 1 plus 4. The matrix is 5. So this is the way how to find the trace of matrix. The sum of all the elements in the principal diagonal of a square matrix is called trace of matrix. Next, transpose of matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Let capital A be any matrix, whether it is square matrix or rectangular matrix row matrix or column matrix. Row matrix means if a matrix contains exactly one row, that is called row matrix. If a matrix contains exactly one column, that is called column matrix. Of course, these two are rectangular matrices. Now, what is transpose? Let capital A I am taking like this. A, B, C, D, E, F. Transpose of the matrix. The resultant matrix obtained by interchanging the rows as columns or columns as rows. Then the matrix is called transpose of the matrix. It is denoted by A dash or A transpose, A power T. That means the resultant matrix obtained by interchanging the rows as columns or the columns as rows. That means, see here this is the first row, I am writing as first column. Here this is the second row, I am writing as second column. So A power T, A transpose is equal to AB, BB, C. This is the way how to find the transpose of a matrix. Next. Next, we have here important definitions are there. Symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? Let capital A be square matrix. That means if A transpose is equal to A, that means if the transpose of the matrix A is equal to itself, then the matrix capital A is said to be a symmetric matrix. Of course, it is a square matrix. Next, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. If A transpose is equal to minus A, if A transpose is equal to minus A, then the matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. Example of symmetric matrix is what? Let us take this matrix. Like this is 1, 2, 2, 3. Now let us find the transpose of this matrix. A transpose is equal to pattern is 1, 2. This is again what? A. So A transpose is equal to A. So this is called symmetric matrix. Lot of examples you can write. Now come to skew symmetric matrix. We will write this. Let us take this matrix. 0, 1, minus 1, G. Let us write the transpose of this matrix. This is 0, 1, minus 1, G. Take minus down. Calculate this. This is 0, 1, minus 1, G. Because you can write K. A transpose is equal to minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1. Where 0, 1, minus 1, 0 is what? A. So this is 1, minus 1. So since this is A transpose is equal to minus A, this matrix is called a skew symmetric matrix. Another example also we can write. I am taking like this. 0, 0, 0. This is A, this is A. Minus A, minus A. This is minus A. I am taking this matrix. Capital A equal to 0 A B, minus A 0 C, minus B minus C, G. Write the transpose of A transpose. This is 0 A B. This is A minus A 0. So this is capital A equal to 0 0 0. This is A B minus A minus B C. I am taking this matrix. Let us find A transpose. This is 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C. It is obviously take minus 1 and you get 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0, which is what? Minus 1. So A transpose is equal to minus A. This is another example of a skew symmetric matrix. Observe, in skew symmetric matrix, principal diagonal must be 0. In particular, in skew symmetric matrix, every element in the principal diagonal must be 0. That means the trace of a skew symmetric matrix is always 0 because we have every element in the principal diagonal is always 0 in a skew symmetric matrix. Then only it is possible that we check A transpose equivalence. Right. Next. Orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. If A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A equal to, that means if you multiply the given matrix, square matrix capital A and its transpose, and you take reverse, A transpose into A is equal to, if you get identity matrix, then the matrix is called an orthogonal matrix. Already we know about what is an identity matrix. Like multiplication of matrix also we already learned in basic classes. You know how to multiply two matrices. If A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A is equal to I, then the matrix is called an orthogonal matrix. From this, we can write A inverse equal to A transpose because of the definition of inverse of a matrix. Let capital B is square matrix. How to find inverse of A? Let capital A is square matrix. Then there exists another matrix capital B such that AB equal to BA equal to I. Then you can write A inverse equal to. This is the definition of inverse of a matrix. Let capital A be a square matrix. Then there exists another matrix capital B such that AB equal to BA equal to I. Then A is called inverse of B. A inverse equal to. So this is in the form of AB equal to BA equal to I. A inverse equal to B. That means A inverse equal to B is A transpose. So if A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A equal to I, or A inverse equal to A transpose, then the matrix is called orthogonal matrix. Next. Now, first of all, you should know about what is transpose conjugate of matrix. We can write transpose conjugate of a matrix or conjugate transpose of a matrix. In any way, we can write conjugate transpose of a matrix. For example, I am taking some complex number inside the matrix. For example, this is 1 plus I, this is 2, this is 2. For example, 0, this is 3 minus. 1 plus I and 3 minus are complex numbers. Conjugate transpose. Already we know conjugate. If you take a complex number x plus I, z, the conjugate of the complex number is given by z bar, which is written by calculation of x minus I. This is the way how to find the conjugate of a complex number. Next, transpose we already know how to find transpose of a matrix. First of all, we will find conjugate, and further we will find what transpose. So it is given by A bar. Conjugate means bar. Transpose means T. A bar to transpose. This is called transpose conjugate transpose of a matrix. It is always also denoted by A power theta. A power theta. A power theta or A bar whole transpose. A bar conjugate of a matrix capital A. T means what? Transpose. Conjugate transpose of a matrix is A bar whole transpose or it is denoted by A power theta. So how to find transpose conjugate of a matrix like this now? First of all, I am going to find A bar. A bar means keep the elements as is. Wherever complex numbers are there, for those complex numbers you will find what? Constant. So, what is the conjugate of number say? 1 minus. What is 2 is a real number? Of course, we write 2 plus a equal to 0. What is the conjugate here? 2 minus a equal to 0. That is the limit 1. So, this is 0. 0 only is 1. 3 minus the conjugate, 3 plus. This is conjugate. Undamped A bar whole transpose. Now take the transpose of this matrix. What is transpose here? 1 minus 2, 0, 3 plus. This is nothing but A power theta or A bar whole transpose. So this is the way how to find conjugate transpose of a matrix. Now, Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix means that capital A is a matrix. If A power theta equal to A, then the square matrix capital A is said to be a Hermitian matrix. Next one. We will write examples also. Skewed Hermitian matrix. If A power theta equal to minus A, if A power theta equal to minus A, then the square matrix capital A is said to be skewed Hermitian matrix. What is A power theta? A bar whole transpose. A bar whole transpose means what? Conjugate transpose of its square matrix. So whenever A power theta equal to A, then the matrix is called Hermitian matrix. If A power theta equal to minus A, then the square matrix capital A is said to be a skewed Hermitian matrix. Now we will take some examples of this one. Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix. For this matrix, this is capital A equal to. For example, like this is 1, 2, 1 plus and 1 plus. Okay. Right. What is A power theta of this one? Transpose conjugate. A power theta matrix. Simply. Conjugate means what is the conjugate of 1? 0, 0. Conjugate of 0, 0. Conjugate of 0, 0. Conjugate of 1. What is transpose of this matrix? Simply. Of course, I can simply add the matrix. A power theta equal to A. This is the simple example of Hermitian matrix. Next, Hermitian skewed matrix. We will take another example of Hermitian matrix. Now I am going to try to take example of Hermitian matrix. Right. For example, this is 2, 1, 1 plus side. If you write 1 plus side, this is 1. This is I. This is 1. Alright, conjugate. And take the matrix 1, I minus I. See what will happen here. First of all, I am going to check A power theta. That means a conjugate transpose. Conjugate transpose means a conjugate of what is now. This is minus I. Conjugate of minus I. Conjugate of minus 2. For this transpose, how much should we do? This is 1. Minus I. So we got the same matrix. See, 1 I minus I. Which is what? Since we got A power theta equal to A, this matrix is called Hermitian matrix. Right. We will write another example. Similarly, different kind of examples for that. Simply arithmetic matrix is Hermitian matrix. Now we will check the example of skewed Hermitian. Capital A. I. 1 plus 2. This is minus 1 minus 1. For example, like this, I am going to see what happens. If you take this example, capital A equal to I, 1 plus I, 2, minus 1, minus I, 3I. This is I, minus 2I. Now let us check A power theta. First of all, write the conjugate. What is the conjugate of I? Minus. This is what? 1 minus. This is 2 1. This is minus 1 plus 7. This is minus 3. This is minus A. This is minus 2. This is minus 8. 4 transposed. How much you get? So what is the concept of this? Otherwise, this is minus 8. This is minus 8. 1 minus 8. 2. This one minus 1 plus 8. Minus 3 minus 2. Okay. This is minus 2 minus 8 0. So this is the concept. If you take minus common from this, how much you get? This is I. 1 minus 8. This is 2. This is minus 1 plus 8. This is 3 8. This is I. Minus 2. I. Did you get the set matrix? Okay, last one we got the set row. Last row. This is I. So this is 1 plus 8. We have to get minus 8. That means you have to change the matrix. Ready? Yeah? Right. Skew Hermitian matrix. If you take matrix, capital A equal to I, 0, 0, 1. Let us check this matrix. Now we have to check whether this is skew Hermitian. Now I am going to find A power theta. That means conjugate transpose of the matrix. First of all, I am making conjugate. Conjugate of I. Minus I. This is real number for 0. Conjugate. Conjugate of 0, 0. Conjugate of minus I for I. For this transpose. So this is A power theta transpose. Minus I. 0, 0. Now this is A power theta. You take minus 1 here. This is I. 0, 0, minus I. This is obviously we have taken A. So this is minus A. So since we got A power theta equal to minus A, so this is called skew Hermitian matrix. So this is the example of skew Hermitian. Right. Next. Unitary matrix. Unitary matrix. If A into A power theta that equal to A power theta into A equal to I, or if A inverse equal to A power theta, then the square matrix capital A is said to be unitary matrix. Right. Now again I am going to tell you, if A power T equal to A,